little artists! Are you ready to create something fun and fabulous today? We're going to draw some awesome makeup tools. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a lipstick. Start by drawing the base. Then, draw a slightly larger rectangle on top for the lipstick case. Finally, draw the lipstick coming out of the case.
Wow!
Great job! Now, let's draw a nail polish bottle. Start with heart-shaped bottle. Then, draw a rectangle cap. To make it extra special, let's draw a heart shape on the bottle.
Cool!
Awesome! Now, let's draw a cone. Draw a long, thin rectangle for the handle. Then, draw the teeth of the cone coming out of the handle. And for a cute touch, let's draw a small heart shape in the comb handle.
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing makeup tools! They look fantastic! Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. We will use rainbow colors to make our makeup tools look fabulous. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your makeup tools look so colorful and beautiful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.